Mobile Developer Interview Practice Questions, Set 3. Question 1. What is the primary use of RecyclerView in Android? A. Display a list of items. B. Create grid layouts. C. Handle background processes. D. Store large data. The correct answer is A. Display a list of items. RecyclerView is used to efficiently display large sets of data. Question 2. Which layout manager is best for a dynamic list in Android? A. Grid Layout Manager. B. Linear Layout Manager. C. Constraint Layout Manager. D. Staggered Grid Layout Manager. The correct answer is B. Linear Layout Manager. Linear Layout Manager is ideal for linear, vertically or horizontally scrolling lists. Question 3. Which of the following is the iOS equivalent of Android's intent? A. UI View Controller. B. Activity. C. Notification. D. Segue. The correct answer is D. Segue. In iOS, segue is used to transition between view controllers, like Android's intent. Question 4. What does the term view binding refer to in Android? A. Binding UI components to data. B. Binding layouts to a data source. C. Binding a view to a background thread. D. Binding user input to UI elements. The correct answer is A. Binding UI components to data. View binding simplifies accessing UI elements in an Android app. Question 5. Which of these is the default iOS navigation controller? A. UI Navigation Controller. B. UI Tabbar Controller. C. UI Page View Controller. D. UI View Controller. The correct answer is A. UI Navigation Controller. UI Navigation Controller is the default navigation controller in iOS. Question 6. Which class is used to handle background threads in Android? A. Async task. B. Handler thread. C. Thread. D. Executor. The correct answer is A. Async task. Async task is used for background operations without blocking the main thread. Question 7. Which protocol does Apple use for push notifications? A. HTTP2. B. TCP/IP. C. MQTT. D. Apple Push. The correct answer is A. HTTP2. Apple uses HTTP2 for push notifications to provide faster message delivery. Question 8. What is the key purpose of the Android Jetpack libraries? A. UI components. B. Networking. C. Manage app data and lifecycle. D. Handle background tasks. The correct answer is C. Manage app data and lifecycle. Jetpack provides components to help manage data, lifecycle, and UI tasks. Question 9. Which tool is used to build Android applications? A. Android Studio. B. Xcode. C. Visual Studio. D. IntelliJ IDEA. The correct answer is A. Android Studio. Android Studio is the official IDE for Android development. Question 10. What does deferred mean in Flutter async programming? A. Execution is delayed until the result is needed. B. The task is executed immediately. C. The task will never be executed. D. It blocks the main thread until completion. The correct answer is A. Execution is delayed until the result is needed. Deferred execution in Flutter means the task is executed when required. Question 11. Which class handles HTTP requests in Flutter? A. HTTP. B. URI. C. Request. D. Web request. The correct answer is A. HTTP. The HTTP package in Flutter allows easy HTTP request handling. Question 12. What is the role of SwiftUI in iOS development? A. Handling UI layouts and interactions. B. Networking and API calls. C. Managing device storage. D. Handling background tasks. The correct answer is A. Handling UI layouts and interactions. SwiftUI is Apple's framework for designing UIs in a declarative way. Question 13. What is the role of a viewModel in Android? A. Store and manage UI-related data. B. Handle background operations. C. Store network data. D. Manage navigation. The correct answer is A. Store and manage UI-related data. viewModel stores UI-related data and survives configuration changes. Question 14. Which API is used for Google Maps in Android? A. Google Maps API for Android. B. MapKit. C. OpenStreetMap. D. Mapbox. The correct answer is A. Google Maps API for Android. Google Maps API provides features to embed maps and geolocation. Question 15. Which feature of Android provides secure data storage? A. Shared preferences. B. Key store. C. SQLite. D. File storage. The correct answer is B. Key store. Key store stores cryptographic keys securely for data encryption. Question 16. What is the purpose of the Navigator widget in Flutter? A. Navigate between screens. B. Manage app state. C. Handle background tasks. D. Manage UI widgets. The correct answer is A. Navigate between screens. Navigator manages the app's screen stack for navigation. Question 17. Which iOS framework is used for creating animations? A. Core Animation. B. SpriteKit. C. UIKit. D. SceneKit. The correct answer is A. Core Animation. Core Animation provides tools to create advanced animations for UI elements. Question 18. What is Kotlin coroutines used for? A. Asynchronous programming. B. Database management. C. UI rendering. D. Image processing. The correct answer is A. Asynchronous programming. Coroutines help in performing asynchronous tasks in Kotlin efficiently. Question 19. Which tool does Flutter use for compiling code? A. Dart compiler. B. C++ compiler. C. Java compiler. D. LLVM compiler. The correct answer is A. Dart compiler. Flutter uses the Dart compiler to compile and build applications. Question 20. Which Android component manages app permissions? A. Permission Manager. B. Permission Handler. C. Activity Compat. D. App Compat. The correct answer is C. Activity Compat. Activity Compat manages runtime permissions in Android apps.